What's up, y'all? We're pushing late October. It's kind of looking like it's staying. I might have to put the bike away. The block heater gave out one heck of a lightning fireworks show. Too bad I didn't get that one on camera. I don't know exactly why it didn't pop. I had it plugged into a 20 amper, so maybe that's why. Today's mission, the radiator on the Bombi. So we got our doors all welded on. You're checking her out in the last one. We got full access. Should have showed you that, I guess. Dipsticks right there. Battery. Some storage room here. It's quite a lot of room. The radiator, we'll see if the fan shroud, I might put it on the inside. Might make more sense to have it on the inside, but I'm gonna get this all knocked off today. But I kind of wanted to show you how it turned out. Here's the other side. Of course, the exhaust will come out up through that hole. Tons of room though. Access to the radiator cap, air cleaner, anything on the top. That's that. So we'll knock this off and get to the fan shroud. We made up some quick little pieces, just some bolts for the top. Here we are on the last of her for our rad mount. So what I've done is taken and slid a hose so it'll flatten out more. I drilled a hole in it. My relay right here, so it's nice and short. My wires will be nice and short. Relay. Some guys are hollering, ground it, ground it, ground it. No, this won't be grounded because it's rubber isolated. So I don't know what you want to call this. Isolator, insulator. Now the reason why I left these both the same, and I'm going to put the ground wire on the same plug as this, is so that I can reverse polarity from summer to winter time just by switching this and the ground wire over. There you have it. Ground. We'll go to the mount. There's our trigger wire. Power wire. That's the dead one. Well, it's not dead, it's just live when the switch is off and we don't need it. So we'll put this back in and get our last bar built. This is the last piece we have to do. If you remember, there's that gap here. Come out straight across and bend back in. Lots of airflow over and under, and still give us protection if we have to back up into the trees or something.